After the moderator of the Presbyterian Church in Cameroon, the Right Reverend Mickey Hans Abia, granted the permission for some eucalyptus trees at the church land below the Presbyterian Health Complex, Bamenda, to be used for the roofing of the new Mezam Presbytery Secretariat. The Presbyterian Secretary for Mezam has on Wednesday, August 13, 2025, supervised the planting of more trees, these to replace the fallen ones.
We requested for 15 trees and he granted us that opportunity to harvest those trees in order to saw timber for the roof. The moderator's vision is that of strengthening and edifying, building what we have, making it more stronger for the next generation. So we cannot cut trees and we allow the space to stand empty.
The chief shepherd of the presbytery significantly planted one of the 1,500 trees to be planted.
It is not just about felling the trees, but if to every tree that we have cut, if we can replace it, even with 5 trees, I think we will make the world a better place for each and every one. We are planting 1,500 other trees, so that the next PCC can continue to enjoy the facilities we are enjoying now.
He also outlines the importance of these trees to the environment.
When you look at the United Nations, the governments all over the world are fighting there for restoration. The only way we can do that is by planting trees. You know, trees have a lot of benefit to our environment. They purify the air that we breathe. Trees equally help in water production. So that is what we are doing here. We are cutting down the old trees. We are planting the new trees. We are trying to bring back the forest. It should not just be about cutting. It should equally be about planting in line with United Nations development goals and in line with the vision of the moderator of the PCC, the Right Reverend Mickey Hans Abia.
The roofing process of the Faith Project is currently going on, and after this stage, there will be needs for zinc. People of goodwill are encouraged to send in their support in the realization of this phase of the project, which will host the Mezam Presbytery Secretariat, the Presbytery Manse, and the moderator's residence in Bamenda.